As you guys know, the time farm airdrop is one of the airdrop that I am doing, and in the face of drastic disappointment from Telegram mini app airdrop, I am still doing this reason because I have been doing it for a very long time. Okay, so I have to complete it. I am not putting any money in it, but the most important thing in this very video is that there is a new update that we need to take a look at, especially if you are on this airdrop right now. And this update answer some of the questions that I've raised before. Okay, so let's take a look at this update and where things is heading to. The first thing here is the mini app. If you come to the mini app, after it loads in this very formation, you see that I have this very balance right now, and I am still mining. Okay, I am still mining the same thing with others, and every other thing concerning this very wallet area remains the same. Right now you can only buy with fellow time farmers. Okay, if I am farming and you are farming, I can send you seconds, you can send me seconds, or you can buy seconds from me and some stuff like that. I have done the video about this, and if you come to my friends section here, you discover that you have staking, transfer seconds, bond weekly challenge, install all of this, and we have invite friends. You can invite your friends as well. And if you come down to this very tax, I advise you do your tax. Okay, do your tax, and let's wait for what this very airdrop is going to bring out. The most important thing about this very update in this very video is that if you come to their Telegram community and then you come to the recent AMA, which is what they just did last, the first update here is the time airdrop equal reverse airdrop instead of launching a new token. Seconds point will convert into already listed time on Bybit, KuCoin, Coinbase, etc. Smart move equal save dollar and avoid dump city. And the reason why this is very important is that the time farm team are trying to take a different approach. If you look at it, time is already listed on Bybit and KuCoin and some of these exchanges. You can check that out on TradingView and also on their platform. And trying to take a different approach from what others have done, maybe or not, it may work, sometimes it may not. But I think taking a different approach, and that is why I am still doing this very airdrop and see how things is going to play out, because this is what is very, very important right now. And one other thing that I raised about this very airdrop is the conversion. What are they going to use as the parameter or the benchmark for converting the time token and the second token, which is very important? If you read this very comment right here, conversion rate will be dynamic, no fixed rate. It will depend on how many claims, demand, and your in-game activity both won't like it. Human will. So this is what I want to see. Okay, the conversion rate, which is dynamic. Okay, it's not based on any very specific parameter. So since it's dynamic, we need to involve ourselves in different activities that is on the time farm airdrop to be on a safer side. And the next one here is second still matters. This is not the end of second. It may get its own TGE later. Keep farming. So let's keep farming and see how it plays out. So we have this next one, which is staking coming soon. I think this is different from the staking we already have on the mini app, which is also very important. And we have stake time and second. Internal exchange equals staking rewards. Farming states just get smarter. The next one is supply of time is capped. No plan to increase supply. Scarcity equal potential upside. And what I am interested in is the supply. I don't think whether you already know the supply. Comment below in the comment section of this very video. What is going to be the total supply of this very token also matters. We want to know the total supply so that we can possibly predict where the price is going to be, or the dynamic nature of their conversion rate, because that's very important. If they have a very little supply, then that means their conversion rate will be very, very high in relation to what the time token is already doing on these exchanges right here, Bybit, KuCoin, Coinbase, and the rest. So this is what we want to see. And the next one is clock upgrade equal airdrop priority. A new top tier watch is dropping soon. Okay, let's see if that is going to play out. And the next one here is external links in tags. Maybe still working on security. Once solved, crypto advertisers will love it. So these are the updates right now. This is very, very important. And for the fact that they want to take a different path from what other airdrop or team that we've seen that failed before have done, I think it's possible that they may have maybe little edge over others. This is my personal opinion, okay? Just little edge over others. We see in the case of Pulse, okay, migrating to Solana from Tone and then partnering with Solana OGs and some stuff like that, but still did not do well. But in this very case of Time Farm, their partnership is a little bit different because they are not going to list the token anymore. They are going to convert the token into already listed token called the Time token, okay? That is already on these very exchanges, and that very conversion will be dynamic, just like stated right here. And this is very, very important. So this update is very important to all of us that is on this very airdrop right now. So what do you think about the Time Farm airdrop? Do you think it's another dust in the pipeline? Or do you think something very, very good is going to come out? Or something maybe significant, something is going to come out of this very airdrop? Comment below in the comment section of this very video. Personally, I don't believe much in all Telegram airdrop anymore. But the one that comes out with something different, I still have hope in them. For example, the Bloom airdrop, I still have hope that the Bloom airdrop is going to perform a little bit better compared to others. And then Time Farm airdrop, with this very update, I also believe they are going to do a little bit better compared to the other airdrop, especially the way Pulse just disappointed every one of us. So let's keep mining and hope things turn out well for the Telegram airdrop. And please note, don't put in any money, okay? This is very important because if you put in money before, I think that is enough. Relax and wait for this very airdrop to play out. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also, check the channel for other crypto content. Join our Telegram channel, the link in the description of this very video, and also in the pinned comment for more crypto updates. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.